Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a Credit Karma account. First, navigate to the Credit Karma website or download their mobile application. You'll then click on the Sign Up or Get Started button. This initial step is straightforward, requiring just a few moments of your time. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection to ensure a smooth registration experience. It's a simple process to begin monitoring your financial health. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your personal details. This includes your full legal name, your date of birth, and your current home address. You'll also need to provide a valid phone number and your social security number. Credit Karma uses this information to securely identify you and access your credit data from the major credit bureaus. Rest assured, your information is handled with the utmost care and security. Security is paramount when dealing with personal financial data. You will be asked to create a strong, unique password, ideally one that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Additionally, you'll set up security questions, which provide an extra layer of protection for your account. Credit Karma uses advanced encryption technologies to safeguard all your sensitive information, ensuring your privacy. Congratulations! Once your account is successfully set up and verified, you can immediately access your free credit scores and reports. Credit Karma provides insights from two major credit bureaus, TransUnion and Equifax. You can also explore personalized recommendations for credit cards, loans, and other financial products. Remember to regularly monitor your credit report for any unexpected changes or potential errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.